Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome in to my Watch Me Wednesday, episode number 101. Do you believe it? I am over 100 episodes right now. I'm so excited about that. Welcome in, welcome in. Today I am having a fantastic day and I'm super excited to share with you a few things. Hi, Linda, how are you? I am going to be announcing the winners of last week's drawing that I said I was going to be giving away the 2 strip packs. So I have the winners for that. So definitely hit the share button because we want everybody to join in so they can see if they've won, which is fantastic. I'm also going to talk a little more about my class launch that will be on Friday. I'm super excited about that. I cannot tell you how much time and effort went into creating this class just for you, because it is just super special to me that I was able to do it with the help of my friend Lisa Slinsky. She needs to be given credit. She was here helping me film last year. For a week we filmed and we did so much that week, and then Laura's in Florida. Good for you, Laura. Then after the filming, I had to do all the video editing and PDFs and all that goes into the class. So it's definitely something that I am very proud of that I created, and I hope that it really meets up to your expectations as students. I think you'll like it. I'm super happy with the outcome. I'm sure that some of you have seen over the past few days some of my postings about the fabric choices for the kits. Now, there have been a lot of questions, and I'm going to try and answer a lot of those questions about the class itself. But a lot of those questions are answered actually in the class. So once you enroll, a lot of those answers will come to light in the class. So it is an enrolled class. Yes, it is a paid class, and it will be open for enrollment on Friday. So I'm super excited to launch that to you on Friday. I had a few questions that if you purchased the kit, would you automatically would the class be free? So no, the kit is optional, the class is not. So the class is paid for. If you want to purchase the kit, that's an optional thing. So in reference to the kits themselves, I wanted to show you, I posted a poll actually on Instagram and on Facebook. I think it was 2 days ago, and I showed the warm palette and the cool palette. And I know that I showed you the warm and the cool before and what they look like, but I wanted to show you, I was busy, all my Ancient Etchings fabric came in, and I've been busy cutting those kits, making them ready for Friday. If people buy out the kits, yes, I will be making more, so you just got to be patient, but I want to show you, I have a few of them, and I'm going to show the fabrics to you up close so you can kind of see what they look like. And I'm really curious to know, if you didn't see my poll, which do you like better? Do you like the warm or the cool version? So let me show you those fabrics up close and personal. So I have actually 2 cool versions, right? So this cool version has the purple in it up at the top, and that's used in the border and the cornerstones. And then it's got the same fabrics in it as does the other cool version. Now, I did one of the fabrics that I designed that's in this is the multi-fabric. Isn't that pretty? I love, love, love the multi-fabric. So that's in both of the cool kits, okay? So that's that. If you have questions, by the way, about the class, definitely put them here in the comments, and I'll try and answer them during the live video, okay? And stay in there and hang in there and hit the share button, because I'm going to announce the winners of the strip packs. Remember, I was giving away 2 strip packs of the collection. So hang in there with me. The other cool kit is this one that has the yellow as the inner border and the cornerstones. So that's the other one. And you'll see pictures of what the actual finished quilt will look like. So this is the cool. That's the cool. That's what the block will look like. And then this is up, and I've got Mr. Quilt Inspector down here. See him down there? I don't know if you can see him. He's checking out things. And this is the warm version. And all of the fabrics are in now. I just have to load them up to the website, and you'll be able to purchase yardage on those. Here is the warm fabric. There's the warm fabric. Yes, there's little llamas, or if you want to call them alpacas, because llamas are alpacas, that is what they are too. So those are the options for the kits. So what you're going to get in the class, yes, it is a paper piece class. So it's a fantastic beginner paper piece class. If you've never paper pieced before, or even if you have paper pieced before, I'm going to show you a technique. Thank you for all the love, everyone. So if you've never paper pieced before, you're going to love this way. If you have paper pieced before, I'm going to show you how to be super efficient in your paper piecing. I'm going to go through detail from nuts to bolts in this, because I wanted you as a student in my class to have everything you possibly can get. Yes, you can ask me questions in the class. Yes, you can. I will answer you back. I will probably do it every couple days. But if you put your questions and comments in the classroom, then everybody in the class can see them and benefit from that. So that's a really cool feature of this class, so that you can interact with one another, which is awesome. It's a really super easy platform. You will be guided through lesson by lesson. They are videos. Once you purchase it, you will own it for life. Yes, there are PDF downloads in the class, absolutely. You will be able to watch it over and over and over again. So you can, what I actually recommend too, when you enroll in the class, is to watch the class through one whole time before you actually even start. And then you can watch each video lesson individually and begin your cutting and sewing that way. I like to, when I get a pattern, I usually like to read through the instructions, so it's very similar in that nature. I would watch all the videos at one time, and then I would go back and do the lessons that way, because then it kind of sinks in a little bit. Hi Sally, how are you? So anyway, so that's one of those. Does anybody have any other particular questions about the class? I'll see if I can see them scrolling up. I only see a few things scrolling up when I'm doing my live video feed. So if I don't answer them while I'm live here, I will try and answer them after the fact. But that's one of the cool features about this particular class, is that you can ask me those questions and put comments, etc. Trying to think of some other things. Yes, there are some supplies that you need. Yes, you get a supply list with it once you enroll in the class, so you will know exactly what you need, and probably more than likely you will already have a lot of these supplies right in your own sewing room. If you need some of the supplies, yes, I do carry them. I provide you with a link inside the class where you can get them, and I have them all on my website, so that is very helpful to you as well. So I don't know how many of you are excited about this class coming up on Friday, my Cactus in Bloom's class. Raise your hand, because I am super excited about it, and I hope you are too. I am really, really excited to also share with you the winners from last week. So if you haven't hit that share button now, hit it, because I want those winners hopefully to be here so that they can hear their names called. So I told you I have two strip packs that I was giving away. I drew the names. Oh, and there is Carol. Hi, Carol Doak. So good to see you. Haven't seen you in a long time. Love you, lady. Anyway, so these are the 2 strip packs that I'm giving away. And the winners of the strip packs from last week are Marci McCord Grant. Gets one of these. Congratulations, Marci. I will be posting your name there and tagging you just in case you couldn't make it to today's live video. And the second winner is Sheri, and I hope I'm saying your last name right, Steber, S-T-E-B-E-R. So Marci and Sheri have won the strip packs of my Ancient Etchings collection. Congratulations to you both. I will tag you in the post, and I will also message you because I'm going to need your snail mail address to send them out to you. So I hope you enjoy that, and I hope that you'll use the tutorial I did last week with the hex and more ruler and make a little hexi quilt, because that would be perfect with it. So congratulations to the winners. And anyway, so if you do have questions, and I haven't seen any pop up because I've seen very few, I only see 1 or 2 flash across the screen at a time. If you have any questions about the class itself, please ask them here. And stay tuned for the launch on Friday, because I'm super, super excited about that. Now, if you haven't joined the Facebook group yet, I do have a Facebook group, and I'll put the link above me when I'm done so that you can join that Facebook group, because there will be certain things in the Facebook group that won't be shared anywhere else, on Instagram, on my Canton Village Quiltworks Facebook page, which is where you are now. So that group will be, it's a private group for people who are in the online class. If you want to be part of that, yes, you can definitely go ahead and ask to join that. I will approve you, and you'll be in the group. So I will put a link to that up there, up above my head. Anyway, I think that's it for now. I cannot wait to see you all on Friday for the launch of my class. I'm so excited. If you can share it with others who you think might be interested in watching, that'd be awesome. Hi, Natasha. My friend Natasha from Island Boutique is here. She is one of the best, by the way. Natasha works for Island Boutique, whom I designed the fabric for. So everybody say hi to Natasha. Thanks for joining in. So Laura is asking about the class. It says, is the pattern printed out with the... Is the pattern printed out? Will it be true? I'm thinking, will it be true to size? I'm not sure if you mean the foundation, Laura, or the pattern itself. I'm not sure. So the foundation's always, when you're printing out a foundation, you're always going to want to measure. I give you a 1-inch box, so if it measures an inch, it's true to size. If you're talking in the pattern itself, the pattern, it's going to be on your 8.5 by 11 printer paper, so that's the size it'll be. So anyway, so I'm hoping I answered your question there, Laura. If not, post it again and I'll answer. Oh, okay, great. That's what you meant. Perfect, perfect. So anyway, that's it that I have for today. I hope to see you all on Friday. I will be posting, I will be sending an e-news out too. If you're not on my e-newsletter, definitely sign up for that, because you'll get the direct link there for the class. The kits will be up on the site by then, and the fabric will be up on the site, so you can order some of the fabric if you just want yardage of it too. So lots going on. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. I cannot tell you. So excited, and I've told you several times. I know I have. So anyway, I wish you all a happy next couple days. Laura wants to know what time the class is going to be up. It will be up on Friday. So I'm hoping midnight, but it might not be till the morning. We'll see. if all goes as planned, Laura, you know what they say, right? Best laid plans. So I'm hoping it's definitely going to be by my morning for sure. But I'm hoping sometime like midnight. And it's always Mountain Standard Time. It's always Arizona time. So if anybody's wondering about that. Anyway, listen all, you have a great couple days, and I'll see you on Friday. Take care and have a great couple days. Happy quilting all. Thanks for stopping in. Bye-bye.